Hi there, welcome back to the Museum of Cornish Life. For today's Easy Easter Make, we are going to be making this Chicks and Bunnies draft set. Now drafts is a really fun game to play. You might hear it called checkers, and it's sort of a similar game to chess. In our game here, instead of white and black checker pieces, we are having our little bunnies and our Easter chicks. Now if you don't want to make the full set, what you can do is just make these little figures as fun Easter decorations. So, in order to make our little figures for the bunnies and chicks, they started life as one of these, and this is just an egg carton. And what I did was I cut out the bottom bits where you usually put the eggs. And in order to make a bunny and a chick, I then painted them. So here I've got a little pink one for the bunny and a yellow one for the chick. And I'll show you what I did with the chick first. So in order to turn this egg carton into a chick, I made some little card decorations. So using some yellow card, if you've only got white card, you can just colour white bits in. I cut out some little wings, and just using some glue, I'll take my wings, I'll pop a little bit of glue just on the edge of each of the wings. And these ones just get stuck onto the side. Give that a nice firm push down to keep it stuck. There we go. And then for his beak, I've got a little bit of orange card. I'll cut out a tiny square and I'll just fold that in half. And then I'll just glue down half of that onto the front. We go. Again, give that a nice firm push down, and because I've only glued half, that means his little beak can open. And then to finish off the chick, just got a black felt tip pen, and I'm just going to do one little eye and two little eyes. So easy peasy to make our chick. And then similarly with our bunny, just take your pink carton. On the back for his little tail, I've taken a makeup wipe, and I've just cut out a little circle from it. And again, to make his fluffy tail, just take my glue and pop that onto the back. And then to bring our bunny to life, I made some ears. So these are just white card. I drew out some ear shapes, and then at the bottom, I left a little, about 1 centimetre flap there. And that's the bit where I'm just going to glue that top bit onto the top of the bunny's head, and then his ears will stick in place. And then for his face, again with a little bit of white card, it's quite teeny tiny, but I cut out a tiny circle and with my black felt tip pen drew on his features, and that can just glue onto the front. Stick that down, and then finally to bring him to life, I'm just going to draw some little eyes with a black felt tip and some little whiskers. Hopefully I've done a good job upside down there. So that's how to make our little Easter bunny and chick figures. Now if you just want to make a couple of these figures, they are fantastic to just put around the house and have as decorations. But like I said, if you want to make a special Easter version of the game drafts, you need to make 12 of each. So you need to get saving up all of your egg cartons, make 12 chicks, 12 bunnies, and if you've already got a checkers board, you can play on that, or if not, here's one that I've just drawn of lots of little squares on it. It's 8 squares across and 8 squares the other side. And that's my Easter checkers, or drafts, depending on where you're from, board game. So I hope you have fun making these little figures. They're very cute to have around, and we'll see you again.